Hello, kids! Welcome to our bird world. Today, we'll meet some lovely little birds. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a sparrow. Sparrows are tiny birds that live near our homes. They eat grains and insects. Sparrows are friendly and love to chirp all day. This is a parrot. Parrots are green and very smart. They can talk like people and love to say hello. They have strong beaks to crack nuts and seeds. This is a peacock. Look at those shiny blue and green feathers. The peacock is the national bird of India. It loves to dance when it rains. This is a crow. Crows are black birds found almost everywhere. They are very smart and can even recognize human faces. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are calm and gentle birds. They love to fly in groups. Long ago, people used pigeons to carry messages. This is an owl. Owls come out at night and can see in the dark. They can turn their heads almost all the way around. This is a duck. Ducks love water and have webbed feet for swimming. They eat tiny insects and grains. This is a hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world. They flap their wings super fast. More than 50 times a second. They drink sweet nectar from flowers. This is an ostrich. Ostriches are the biggest birds on Earth. They can't fly, but they run very fast. They also lay the largest eggs in the world. This is a kiwi. Kiwi is shy, brown bird that cannot fly. They have long beaks to find food at night. The kiwi is the national bird of New Zealand. Now let's play a game. Can you guess which bird it is? Peacock. Ostrich. Owl. Wow! We met so many beautiful birds today. Sparrow, parrot, peacock, crow, pigeon, owl, duck, hummingbird, ostrich, and kiwi. Every bird is special in its own way. Thank you for learning with us. Bye-bye, little birds. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational videos for kids.